So, under types of system, we have studied one open system. So, open system is given which exchange both heat and mass with the surroundings. Second one is closed system. Closed system is given where a system exchange only heat with the surroundings, but not system exchange only heat with the surroundings, but not mass. Example, hot water taken in a closed vessel. So, here now if the same tumbler if you take, and here if you take a hot water, and if this is closed, then only heat will get transferred. Here the vapors formed only will be inside, and escape of vapor will not take place. Vapor will not escape. So, here what happens? Vapors cannot escape into surroundings as it is closed, but heat exchange takes place. So, that means after some time water gets cooled. Water gets cooled. After some time, as this water gets cooled, and but there will be no change in the quantity of water that what we take, as because the vapors cannot escape out. The mass of that water, either in the form of little vapors that are formed above the surface, or even the liquid water, whatever forms that are present, but mass remains constant. But temperature decreases after some time because of the exchange of heat between the system and surroundings. That is what we call closed system. After these two, then the third one what we have is isolated system. What is isolated system? Isolated system is the one that neither exchange mass nor heat with surroundings. Open system, it exchanges both heat and mass. Closed system exchanges only heat but not mass. Isolated system, neither heat nor mass. So, it is example, hot water in thermos flask. In thermos flask, as the vessel is thermally insulated means it is covered with non-insulating substances, insulating substances like wood or any other substance, due to which there will be no transfer of heat, and of course, as it is being closed, also there is no exchange of mass. So, finally, isolated system is the one in which neither the heat nor mass will get exchanged with the surroundings. So, these are the types of systems, and every system is, in the basic definition of the system, what we told is system is nothing but a small part of the universe which is well defined with certain macro properties.